Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new TikTok account when you already have one. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to manage multiple accounts easily. Let's get started. First things first, open up your TikTok app and you will likely to be logged into your current account, which is perfectly fine for now. Head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this will bring you to your current TikTok profile page. Now look at the top right corner of the screen where you will see the three lines. Tap on that to open your settings and privacy menu. This menu contains all the options you will need to manage your account. Now in the settings and privacy section, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find the logout button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to confirm, so click on logout again to proceed. And once you have successfully logged out, you will be brought back to the TikTok home screen, but don't worry, you can still log back into your old account later. Now that you have logged out, you will see a sign up button on the screen. Go ahead and tap that to start creating a new account. Now here you have a few different options to sign up. First is phone number. You can use your phone number, email, Facebook or Google account. So use the email or phone number that you have not used for your other account. So choose the option that works for you, and then TikTok will ask you to enter a few details like your date of birth, username for your new account. So make sure it's something unique that has not been taken yet. And once you enter the username, click on continue and that's it. Your new TikTok account is now live. You can start customizing it by adding a profile picture, writing a bio. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.